What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can use Google Authenticator for two-factor authentications. Well, the process of doing that is pretty simple. For that, you need to install the Google Authenticator app. So I'm just going to quickly install it. I'm going to go to my App Store and then I'm going to search for Authenticator, and the Google Authenticator will pop up the first thing. Now, I'll just install the Google Authenticator. As you can see, it is already installed. Now here, you just have to open up the app. Once the app is opened up, here you just have to, add your Google account. Currently, in my case, my Google account is like previously linked with the previously authenticator app. But in your case, you just have to add your account. As you can see, if I click on change account, you can add a new account. As you can see, it wants me to allow. And once it is done, it will just set up my Google two-factor authentication. If I click on add code, or you can simply set up enter an setup key as well. Now, doing that is pretty simple. You just have to set this thing up, and your two-factor authentications will start to pop up in your Authenticator app without any problem. Hope you guys find this video helpful.